Japanese cuisine is known for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and delicate flavors. Here are 10 iconic dishes. 1. Sushi, vinegared rice topped with raw or cooked fish, often served with wasabi and soy sauce. 2. Ramen, noodle soup served with a variety of toppings like pork, eggs, and vegetables. 3. Tempura, deep-fried seafood or vegetables in a light, crispy batter. 4. Sashimi, thinly sliced raw fish, served with soy sauce and wasabi. 5. Takoyaki, octopus-filled batter balls, crispy on the outside and soft inside. 6. Okonomiyaki, savory pancake made with flour, cabbage, and various fillings like pork or seafood. 7. Katsu, breaded and deep-fried cutlet, usually made with pork or chicken. 8. Udon, thick wheat noodles served in a hot or cold broth. 9. Yakitori, skewered and grilled chicken, typically seasoned with tare sauce. 10. Miso soup, soup made from miso paste, often served with tofu and seaweed. These dishes reflect Japan's rich culinary traditions.